In this video, I'm giving you 3 most powerful money affirmation to manifest money fast. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Osimeze, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm sure all of you are on the journey of manifestation and manifesting many things, including relationship, money, dream job, success, happiness, and abundance. Right? So many of you have asked me in the comment section, like, AJ, give us some of the powerful affirmation, or how can we attract money fast. And today I'm giving you 3 highly powerful affirmation. These are the simplest but the most powerful affirmation that you can apply, say, use, practice whenever possible, and this will help you manifest more money. This will help you unblock money if your money is stuck with somewhere or with someone. This will really help you become a money magnet, so that money will be constantly flowing into your life. And these 3 affirmations are very simple but very powerful. So the first affirmation is, I am wealth. Yes, you have to feel that you are wealth. Not just you are becoming wealthy, but you yourself feel that you are wealth. Means everything that is happening within you signifying that you are the wealth in this universe. So I am wealth. The second one is I am rich. The third one is I am abundant. These are the 3 simplest affirmation to attract money. And some of you have heard these affirmations, you may have applied sometime, but if this affirmation haven't worked for you in past, then one of the reason is you did not do it in the right way. So let me explain you how to do it. You first write down this 3 affirmation in a card or in your phone, and make it clear that you can see it on a daily basis. I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. And then every day take some time, preferably take at least 5 minutes in the morning after you waking up, because at that time your mind is ready to receive new information, your subconscious mind is ready, and whatever you implant inside your subconscious mind, it will go deep within. So you can do it in the morning for at least 5 minutes, and again you can do it at night before going to sleep for 5 minutes. Apart from these 2 timing, you can do during any other time in the day, but during these 2 times, morning and at night, do it at least for 5 minutes, this affirmation, and repeat them again and again and again and again and again until you start feeling that vibration inside your body. That is the key. Many people do affirmation, but they don't get the result out of it, because they are just saying, like for example, if you say like this, I'm wealth, I'm rich, I'm abundant. If there is no energy, you are not going to get anything. So you have to say with energy, like I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. And even you can do it, like you can close your eyes and you can say, like, I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. And when you say this thing, you visualize in your mind, you create a picture of wealth, whatever it means for you to be rich, whatever it means for you to be wealthy, whatever it means for you to be abundant. You have to create that picture in your mind and keep saying that I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. And when you say this, and when you feel this, and when you visualize that, idea. For some of you, it's like living a rich life. For some of you, like having abundance of money around you. For some of you, like living in a big house, a luxurious house. For some of you, it's like working on a big office and living a luxurious life. For some of you, it's like driving a very luxurious car, or living in a, or traveling in a private jet, or whatever it means for you. You have to create those pictures while saying it, because that is the key. If that is missing, then you can just say this affirmation whenever you feel like, and nothing will happen. And then you feel like, oh, so many people are talking about affirmation, I'm using it, but why it's not working for me? My friend, it's not working for you so far because there is no energy in it, there is no life in it. And it's not just for money. Whatever affirmation you are doing, if you are doing affirmation for your job, or for your relationship, for your health, for losing weight, you have to bring that energy and you have to feel it. You have to visualize being in that moment. That's the key. And when you do it, you see how powerfully things will change. So use this 3 powerful affirmation for attracting money. I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. And when you say this, feel it, create the energy, and keep saying it for 5 minutes again and again and again and again, so that you feel that vibration going inside your body. And when you feel that vibration, when you create that images, that visions, that visuals in your mind, magic started happening. That's where you start manifesting. And if this video, this particular insight about affirmation, this particular idea about affirmation, what I have explained to you just now, if it was new for you, if it was useful for you, if it was insightful for you, do let me know in the comment section right now that yes, AJ, this is what missing in my affirmation and this is what I'm going to do. Say this, that yes, AJ, I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. If you are becoming a money magnet, if you are attracting wealth, then right now go in the comment section and write that yes, I am wealth, I am rich, I am abundant. And note these affirmations, practice them daily with energy, with visuals, with visualization, and see the magic. Because my friend, you deserve to live an abundant life. And if you want to raise your money vibration to even a higher level and learn more processes, then if you like, you can join my WhatsApp program, Raise Your Money Vibration, which is specially designed for money, wealth, abundance, and prosperity. If you like, you can join that program. Check the link in the description section. But from right now, from today, you must start using these 3 most powerful, yet simplest, yet highly effective affirmation, because you deserve to live an abundant life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that you keep getting all the notification for all the amazing videos that I'm going to share in next few days. And if you are yet to check my website awesomeaz.com, do check my website, because there are hundreds of resources, articles, success stories freely available for you to help you manifest your goals and dreams. Thank you.